The circulatory system, an organ system presentation by Alyssa, Angela, and Elisa. This is our table of contents.
Heart. Thorough analysis. This blood-pumping organ is one of the key components in the cardiovascular system. It consists of many uses and greatly wide ranges of bodily structures. What exactly is the heart? It is a fist-sized, life-giving organ located towards the left side of the chest, consisting of muscles that contract, allowing for proper distribution of red blood cells. It includes 4 sections or chambers in the organ. The brain and nervous system control this vital body part, creating a response affecting homeostasis. What is the functionality? The main function is to distribute and organize the blood flow throughout the body. In doing so, it allows for the proper control in blood pressure, heart rate, and etc. Not only is it crucial for proper circulation, but it also keeps these blood cells alive, providing adequate oxygen and removing the excess carbon dioxide. Anatomy of the heart. Different parts of the heart include the walls, chambers, valves, and blood vessels. These differentiating components of the heart grant efficiency and proper protection of this vital organ.
Another major organ of the circulatory system is blood. Blood is made up of red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. It accounts for 40 to 45% of blood's volume, and the cells are shaped like a donut. They have no nucleus, which makes them flexible, but they can only live for 120 days. Hemoglobin is a special protein found in red blood cells. They help carry oxygen and return carbon dioxide, and blood looks red because of hemoglobin. Platelets help form clots to prevent excess blood loss. They're not actually cells, and they stick to the lining of an injured blood vessel and create a platform where blood coagulation can occur. They form a fibrin clot which prevents blood from leaking out and promotes healing. White blood cells kill bacteria and are part of your immune system. They're only 1% of your total blood volume, and the most common type is neutrophil, aka the immediate response. They account for 55 to 70% of your total white blood cell count, but they only live less than a day, so bone marrow are constantly making new neutrophils. Another type of white blood cell is lymphocytes. There are two types: T lymphocytes, which help regulate function of immune cells and attack affected cells and tumors, and B lymphocytes, which make antibodies. There are also monocytes, which become macrophages when they leave your blood. There's a picture of a white blood cell eating a bacteria. Plasma transports waste products to kidneys and livers, which filters and cleans blood. It's a watery liquid made up of water, proteins, waste products, minerals, clotting factors, immunoglobulins, carbon dioxide, and hormones. They regulate the body temperature, and blood is 55% plasma and 45% blood cells. It is necessary for the body to recover from injury, prevent infection, and distribute nutrients. There are 4 blood types: O, A, B, and AB. A and B are codominant, and O is recessive.
I will be talking about the veins. The veins have two main purposes. One is to carry blood throughout the body, and secondly, carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the heart. The veins organized into one system is called the venous system. The venous system has two circuits. One, the pulmonary circuit, and two, the systemic circuit. The pulmonary circuit is made up of low oxygen blood going into the lungs to gather oxygen, then entering the heart again. The systemic circuit is when oxygenated blood travels from the heart to the rest of the body, providing oxygen while also picking up waste such as carbon dioxide.
Homeostasis. What is homeostasis? It is the process of self-regulating within the body, maintaining stability. The body adjusts itself to the environment as a natural effect of the organ systems. The circulatory system going under homeostasis. Under intense pressure, the circulatory system may pump more blood into the body and bring more oxygen to the cells throughout the body. If under extreme heat, the blood vessels may expand to release heat. Opposingly, when the body is too cold, the blood vessels constrict to preserve the internal heat. This usually causes the goosebump appearance on skin. The circulatory system going under homeostasis. Continued. The baroreceptors in the circulatory system release blood pressure information back to the brain, moving hormones from the thyroid gland throughout the body. This allows the body to regulate its metabolism, that controls the body's weight, gain, and loss functions.
Working with other systems, the circulatory system works with the respiratory system to bring oxygen to all parts of the body. The circulatory system collects carbon dioxide and the respiratory system releases it. The alveoli and lungs fill up with air. The alveoli are made up of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. The capillaries collect oxygen and are connected to arteries and veins that distribute the oxygen to the rest of the body. The pulmonary arteries delivers blood high in oxygen back to the capillaries and alveoli.
One disease relating to the circulatory system is the coronary heart disease. A coronary heart disease is when a plaque starts growing in one of the arteries that supplies the heart with blood. Some risk factors include little exercise, unhealthy diet, or genetics. Some causes may be the buildup of cholesterol deposits that blocks or restricts blood flow. Symptoms of this disease include heart attack, chest pain, or difficulty breathing. Treatments can be exercise more, healthier eating habits, and sometimes medicine that can help with blood pressure and or surgery to remove the plaque to allow blood flow. Another disease related to the system is the cerebral vascular disease. This is an umbrella term that includes any conditions that impacts blood flow to the brain. Examples of this disease include strokes, brain bleed, and hemorrhage. Risk factors may be high blood pressure, obesity, and lack of exercise. This is usually caused by a blood clot, when a blood vessel ruptures, or buildup of plaque in the arteries of the brain. Symptoms include fainting, headaches, speech slurring, and weakness on one of the sides of the face. To limit the damage done to the brain, treatment must be given in a short amount of time after the symptoms start. People who have these diseases might be provided with blood pressure medication, cholesterol-lowering drugs, or blood sugar medication. If the blood vessels are severely blocked, surgery will be needed to open up the vessels to allow blood flow. To reduce the risk of catching these diseases, the body will need constant exercise, a healthy diet, and a healthy weight.
And these are our sources. Thank you for listening.